Welcome to Salika Mag. Today's tutorial about easy welt pocket. You can insert this pocket in a blazer jacket or even trouser or coats. So here I have this sample where I'm going to insert my pocket, and there are different ways of putting this pocket, but I'm going to show you the easiest way. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of teaching experience of dressmaking and dress designing. If you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So this is the piece that we need to be visible on our pocket side. So here I'm first going to mark the lines for the opening. So here I'm going to mark the 6 inches line. So this depend on your choice. Usually 6 inches is enough, but if you have heavy hand or all these things, you can measure whatever width you want for the pocket. So and 1 inch I'm going to mark this line, and again here 1 inch, and now I'm going to join these two lines. So now I got 3 lines, something like this. And see, this thing you have to make here 6 inches, 6 inches for the opening of this pocket. So I have this blue fabric. This is actually our going to be our pocket. So it can be of any color like white or anything, because it is going to inside, or you can take the matching color, but it should be soft rather than that your actual jacket's material. And see, I just got estimate that this is enough for my pocket. So 7 inches almost you can take the length of your pocket. And see, now I just join these two parts like this. I just stitch here, and now I'm going to mark here at whatever point I need. So from here, from waistline, I mark 2 inches, and now here I'm just going to mark my 6 inches. Almost 3 inches you can make distance from your waistline. So it all depends that at what actual point you want your pocket. So you can measure according to that. You can measure on your body, or you can measure your existing any jacket. So you can measure that what actual point you need your jacket. So now I just going to place my this fabric, pin up it properly, and after pin up we are going to stitch the 2 lines only. This start from here till here and here, then again this down line. So only 2 stitches we are going to make here. See, this is very important to start from the edge properly, because this edge will define your neatness of your pocket. So I just mark here this line and just stitch here this line, double lock at the end, and after that I will stitch the other line, this line, and down, then the other side. So something like this. And guys, if you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give your feedback. Just press the thumbs up button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. If you press a thumbs up button, YouTube will know that you like my video. See, these 2 lines we just got stitched, and now come to this third middle line. We are going to cut from here. So first remove the pins. Now hold it like this and cut from the center line. After cutting center line, we will continue cutting till this point. Let me mark here a dot. This is almost 1 centimeter difference from the edge. So at this point I should stop cutting, and now I will go on this angle, something like this. And you can also mark here before cutting if you are not sure. See, that's how we will get a triangle here. Same way I'm going to do on the other side. Just mark and then cut in an angle both ways, and you will got here a triangle. Now you can see this is the opening that we just got. And sorry guys, the alarms are behind me. Now we will turn all this thing inside, because we are stitching all this thing on the right side of the fabric, and now we are going to turn all this thing inside. So it is a little bit difficult, but do it with some patience. And here you need to press it properly to make it more neat look. So see, I just turn it all the way, and here you can see now I need ironing or pressing here at this part. And after that I will fold it like this way, and I will fold the both. See, I just press here. Now I'm going to fold this way. This is actually the facing of my pocket that will be visible on the other side. So that's why this triangle piece you can take of any other color if you want to make your pocket in a different color or some designing. So see, that's how I'm going to. This is the wrong side of my dress or jacket. Now just pin up it properly, and here again you need a very good pressing. See, that's how you will fold it. This is very easy way, you can try it, and see, that's how it will come on the right side without any stitch. You can stitch it later if you want. Here on the facing, here you can stitch, but otherwise no need for stitching on the facing. And see, press it properly, and after pressing you can see this is a beautiful opening of our pocket. Now come to the back side part. Here we need to close our pocket. See, here one stitch will come here and the other stitch will come on the sides. Cut something extra if there is extra, and see, that's how your stitch will come here. This only 2 layers of fabric. One is that triangle the rectangle piece, and the other is your pocket part. Don't stitch the jacket fabric obviously. So here first here and come then these 2 stitches will come, and you can see your perfect pocket is ready. And this is very easy way of making this Welt pocket. And there are some more different ways. See, here your stitch should become. And hope you like this tutorial, and please give me your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more upcoming tutorials. And let me know if you like this video, and thank you for watching, and if possible please share it with your friends and family. And thank you, take care, bye bye.